Hello everyone, welcome to today's mathematics class. Today's class we want to provide solution to this exponential equation. Solve the equation 8 raised to the power 2x minus 8 raised to the power x equal to 12. So I want to tell you, whenever you're having this type of exponential equation, so we are going to solve, and at the end of the day we will resolve our result into quadratic equation. Now let us first of all have this. In indices, if I have a raised to the power m, then a raised to the power n outside, you see the same thing and say a raised to the power m n. So we have this now, which means inside this 8 raised to the power 2x, I am going to break it so that I will have my 8 raised to the power x inside. So it means like this, 8 raised to the power x, then all squared. So I'm transferring it to this form now. You see the same thing, nothing has changed. Minus 8 raised to the power x equal to what? 12. Okay. Now, here we can now use what is called algebraic substitution. We can let either y or p be 8 raised to the power x. If we say let p equal to 8 raised to the power x. So it means in place of 8 raised to the power x, we are going to put p there. So automatically, because the square here becomes p squared minus this is what? P. Then equal to what? 12. Now let us take this 12 to this side so that we can have a perfect quadratic equation. Okay, so we have p squared minus p minus 12 equal to what? 0. Now let us go for two factors. When we multiply them, it will give us negative 12. Then when we add the two of them together, it will give us negative 1, which is this p. And of course, in quadratic equation, when solving quadratic equation, if the sum is negative and the product is negative, so one of the factors will be negative and the other one will be positive, but the bigger factor will be negative. So in this case now, we have 4 and 3, which means we are going to be having negative 4. So that is why here we're going to put p minus 4. Then here we have p plus 3 equal to 0. That's it. So because 4 minus 4 times 3 to give you minus 12. Minus 4 plus 3 to give you minus 1. So that's it here. So we can have p minus 4 equal to 0 or p plus 3 equal to 0. So here we have p equal to 4 or p equal to negative 3. Now, but remember that p is equal to what? 8 raised to the power x. So we are going to substitute for p now. When p is equal to 4, we then have 8 raised to the power x equal to what? 4. Now let us break this one down to this 2. The lowest base we can have inside 8 is 2. Then raised to the power 3, because we're already having x, they become 3x. Then equal to, also break this one down to base 2. Express it in the power of 2, become 2 raised to the power 2. Here, this one can what? Be taken care of. We then have 3x equal to what? 2. Then your x equal to 2 over 3. That is the first one. Now let us look at this one here. When the base, when p is equal to negative 3, automatically, because here is negative 3, that is wrong. We can't take that. It's invalid. So we have 8 raised to the power x is equal to negative 3. So this base is beyond our scope. So we leave this. The only accepted solution is this 2 over 3. That is the one we accept. So we reject this. So if you find this class very interesting, help us to share this post and do well to like and comment. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics Lovers. Bye.